Hey guys, Farm Girl Scavenger here. So I have a new little how-to video for you. So many of us in the vintage sellers and electronics and whatever, jewelry, it doesn't really matter, do much better if we have a video in our listing. You can talk in it, you can point out things. There's no fighting, you know, for the most part, what's in a video. And when I mean that, I'm listing dolls today. I'm listing older dolls. So here is a doll that I listed earlier, and you can see that in my and also in the title I have put see video. So here I have on, that's where they put it. They put the placement in the second one, and I have put this video. This is her walking. She boogies. Let's change her out to the dance mode. So you can see that they can hear everything about how she works. So I'm currently working on this little doll right here. She is a vintage Baby First Steps 1964 Mattel, and she also works. Now, is she in perfect condition? She is not, and that will be all pointed out also in the video, but let's, oh, I shouldn't have rotated. Let's go check out and see how we're going to add that video in from our phone. I list on my phone, and I do not use a standalone camera. And can you put a video in from your phone? You sure can. You can airdrop it. You can hook your phone up to your computer and download it, upload it, all that stuff. That takes time. And it has gotten to the point where most people will not do a video because it takes so much time. So let's check this out. I'm going to do a screen recording, and I'm going to show you how we're going to add a video of her walking into this listing, and then I'm going to come back and show you this listing. So I'll leave that open right there, and we'll be back. So here I am on my phone, and I'm not going to use my eBay app because you cannot upload a video from your eBay app into your listing. It won't allow you to do that. So let's go to the Google search bar, and I've done this several times. So it's already there, and you can put it in your mobile bookmarks, right? eBay Seller Hub, mobile bookmarks. And we can just go right there. It's that simple. Android or Apple. So here I am in the original Seller Hub that you would see on your desktop. And I'm going to go to my listings. And I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go to drafts. And look at, there she is, right there, Vintage First Step Baby. I'm going to go resume draft. Now I'm going to touch the add. And right here is my video. And it's going to take a couple, I think that video's a minute and some seconds long. So it's going to take a little bit, to depending on where you are and what your service is. I happen to be in my basement because that's where I have the majority of my business. And so we shall see. I have my first picture of her, which I love, and sometimes I do photo room and sometimes I don't. I have her height, and then I have a nice picture in the back. I have pictures of her battery cover, her inside battery that's clean, that the tabs are broken. I have pictures of her dress. It's her original dress, made in Japan. You name it. Pictures of the bottoms of her feet. Let's see. I think we're almost done. Perfect. Done. Now, they usually tell you when you add a video that it's going to take up to 48 hours for it to upload. And so let's just go ahead and resume this draft here real quick. Because what I was trying to do was to see right there. We're reviewing your video. It should be available for playback within 48 hours. If there aren't any issues, you can still list or revise this item now. The video will be viewable by buyers when it's approved. Now they do that because, you know, there's some salty, that's not the right word. There's some unsavory characters out there in the world who will try to put things that we just don't want to see, right? Okay, so I'm done with that, and we're done with the pictures. This girl right here is ready to list. Oops, I already did that, but we'll put that in there anyway. So I have in my custom label SKU where I got her from. I got her from an estate sale. That's the initials of the estate sale company. I was allowed to go and pick the last day after they closed and take everything I wanted for free. She was part of that. And she is, I am listing her today on 1/7/25. Today's my son's birthday. Happy birthday. And she's going in doll tote 3. So store categories and all of these items, fill out as much as you can, right? Then I will come down here. I have my condition. I have the description, and I have her priced at $79.99. I'm allowing offers, and that is her shipping. She will go. The buyer can choose. They can choose Ground, Advantage, Priority, UPS, FedEx. And they can't choose FedEx. I just didn't change the title. I no longer ship FedEx. She will weigh 4 pounds once she is packaged. She's already 18 inches tall, so 20 inches, 10 by 10. That's what size the box will be. You need to know these things so that you get the proper shipping. If you're not doing flat rate, I do not do flat rate shipping on anything over a pound. I just don't do it anymore. And so then all of this has to do with the UK. So unless you live in the UK, you really don't need to worry about that. And then promoted listings, I promote everything at 3% just because I do. So I'm going to save this for later because I want to go back over to the computer and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here we are back at the computer, and I am going to refresh this up here. And voila, there is the video that I put in. Now, I can view this because I haven't attempted to list it yet. Okay, and so here we have the 1964 Mattel Baby First Step, and you can see her hair has been cut, and she has a few marks here and there on her body. It's kind of hard to see, like there's some right there. Her battery case, you can see here, the tabs have been broken off. I showed a picture of that, but she does work. So let's see what she does. Hop, skip, and jump. She's coming for you. And it's funny. think she still goes for a little bit. So, she's got gorgeous blue eyes, as you can see, and they do close. Anyway, and she is, I believe she's 17 inches tall. Thank you. All right, so it's that simple. And so if you have something that is, you know, high end, that you really want people to see what it is, then this is what you need to do. Now she is finished. I have everything in here that I want to have in here. I have my description and all of the things. If you're not using custom templates, then you should be, because it has all these different templates that you can use, right? So this right here, other than what I've put in here, up for sale and as is as shown, that's my custom template for most everything, and I have different ones for other things. So there's my shipping. I do ship internationally through eBay International Shipping. There is all the other stuff, and I am going to preview it because I want to see what my listing looks like, right? And I'm going to list her. So that's how that goes. And in my listing is live now, but I will get a message from eBay in a little while that tells me, you know, good job with the video. So anyway, if you like that, here is my eBay store, Farm Girl Scavenger, Farm Girl Scavenges. Quite a few items. There's all kinds of things that you can do. I'm running a sale right now on items I'm clearing out, and I use ChatGPT to make this sale banner. So all kinds of things coming up. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you on the flip side.